Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Wow, this is a toy hammer. Wow, green, orange, two colors toy hammer. Wow, bye bye. This is a Minion's pencil bag. Wow, today I have lots of pencil and pen. Wow, let's see. Wow. And this is yellow color. Bye bye. Wow, this is a toy handcuff and this is full of yellow color. Wow. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is a toy telephone. Green pin. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is a multi-toy shotgun. Wow. Lots of colorful here. Blue, green, orange, yellow, orange. Wow. Let's see. Yes, I have two kind of bullet. Soft bullet and ball bullet. Let's try and shoot. Wow. And this is a soft bullet. Wow. And this is a green color plastic ball bullet. Bye bye. Wow, this is a toy bicycle. Wow, black, blue, white, yellow, pink. Lots of colorful here. Wow. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is a 5-finger toy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is yellow, orange, green. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is a toy grenade. Wow, this is full of yellow color. Wow. Wow, this is a multi-toy revolver. Wow. Wow. Wow, this is a plastic ball bullet. Wow. And this is a soft bullet. Bye bye.